Hi, Big Truck Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in northeast Wisconsin, where a John Deere 800 Windrower is swathing the crop with a 12-foot grain table. This machine was manufactured in Ottumwa, Iowa from 1972 through 1980. It's powered by a 3.7-liter, 225 cubic inch Chrysler Industrial HB 225 slant 6-cylinder engine rated at 55 horsepower. It is fitted with a fuel tank that holds 18 gallons of gasoline, which will allow the windrower to run 7.5 hours before a refill is required. This machine features a ground drive variable pitch belt to planetary drive case to final drive chain. It will travel from 0 to 9 miles per hour and has a recommended operating speed when swathing wheat from 2 to 6 miles per hour and 5 to 6.5 miles per hour when mowing alfalfa. The 800 uses a wheel and lever system for steering. The steering wheel is utilized for natural easy cutting, and then the levers are engaged to put the machine in drive and reverse, as well as to pivot it on turns. The 800 can be ordered with a variety of cutter bars, including 12-foot, 15-foot, 18-foot, and 21-foot heads. They will cut from 4 to 27 inches tall, and the platform has a 30-degree angle for feeding the crop through the machine. The 800 rolled off the assembly line weighing in at 4,338 pounds and had a base list price when it was new of $8,895. This Wisconsin farm uses their John Deere 800 windrower to cut and swath their wheat into windrows to help it dry down. It can be cut when the stems are a little bit green and the grain is almost dry. This allows it to dry like hay in the windrow, and then they use a John Deere 70 PTO horsepower 3020 tractor powering a John Deere 9501 Maximizer combine that has a 204 bushel grain bin to harvest and thresh the crop. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this winter wheat field with the John Deere 800 Windrower. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use a windrower on your farm to swath small grains or mow hay. Tell me about the model and the crops that you are harvesting. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.